10 booming industries in Philippines. Number 1. Tourism. The tourism sector took a big piece of the GDP pie in 2017 when it accounted for 21% of the whole economy. Aside from the revenue generated, it also generated 2.3 million jobs. And this figure is expected to grow in the next few years. Per current estimates, this industry generated 7.8 million jobs for both direct and non-direct tourism business, which is about 19.2% of our country's total workforce. And it was projected that foreign arrivals will grow this year, with numbers of visitors from Korea, Japan, and China steadily increasing. Number 2. Agriculture industry. Agriculture is the country's Achilles heel in comparison to other industries in this list in terms of growth. It dropped 0.4% for Q3 of 2018, which is worse than the 3.9% increase from last year. Number 3. Manufacturing. The manufacturing industry received the biggest FDI in 2018 at $169 million, an indicator that foreign investors see continuous potential in this industry as shown by their willingness to pour millions of dollars into it. Manufacturing covers the creation of products that include food and beverage, petroleum, transport and industrial equipment, textile, and others. Number 3. Real estate. Real estate is still considered to be a flourishing industry even when it has already achieved so much in the last few years. Once the government's Build BBB program takes off, expect even more commercial and residential units to get built. With improved transportation infrastructure and creation of more jobs, Pinoys are projected to have more spending power. The real estate industry also receives a big share of annual foreign direct investments, a sign that investors abroad still see plenty of growth potential in this industry. Number 4. Construction. The Philippine Statistic Authority reports growth by as much as 16.1% in the 2018. This is dramatically better than the 4% growth posted 2017. PSA credits increased projects for both public and private construction as primary drivers for this terrific growth. Through heavy spending on the development of the country's infrastructure, more jobs and opportunities are created in the construction industry. Number 5. BPO and business services. This industry has served as one of the top contributors to our economy in the last decade. After establishing itself as the premier destination hub for international businesses who need to outsource their manpower, call centers, business services, digital services, the Philippines continue to hold its strong position in attracting investments from foreign companies. The government's lofty infrastructure goals should positively affect our labor force. The introduction of a third telco is expected to bring improvement to our internet connectivity for the masses and increased of financial services worldwide. Number 6. Banking and finance. According to the BSP, the Philippines experienced growth in 2017 amidst volatilities in market conditions. The industry also started to take advantage of the digital technology available in order to make their services reach more people and provide more efficient services. At the start of 2018, the Philippines is said to have 587 banks and 11,206 branches. There are currently more than 20,000 ATM machines in operation. Number 7. Gaming. Integrated resorts properties which feature casinos within its facilities. Resorts World, Solaire, City of Dreams, Okada are all examples. The last three make up Entertainment City, which brought more than 109 billion pesos in gross revenue last year. Wherein you need to pay for entrance in a casino on those countries, it's not required here. This lead to more domestic participation. More integrated casinos are expected to rise outside of Manila, in Cebu and Clark. The goal is to attract them to play here by offering these perks as well as lend money and collect debt to these players. Number 8. Retail. This is important because retail depends on continuous public spending to drive its growth. And we've been on a steady rise, according to Philippine Retail Association President Rozong. Online shopping has been a driver of this rise. More Filipinos utilize mobile technology to fulfill their shopping needs. According to OM, it's easier now to become a retailer through the convenience of the internet. With an online shop, you can reach thousands of customers that would otherwise be out of reach. Convenience, choice, price, and location are what customers generally look for nowadays when it comes to their preference in physical stores. Number 9. Healthcare. The healthcare industry seems to be picking up steam. The country's total health expenditures grew by 8% last year, which was worth Php 712 billion, a 4.5% overall contribution to the country's GDP. According to the PSA, an average of Php 6,791 was spent on health by each Pinoy. Number 10. Automotive and shipbuilding. The industry covering trade and repair of motor vehicles, automotive, shipbuilding, posted a 5.6% growth. With the increasing number of vehicle purchases over the last few years, expect further growth in this category since aftermarket services, maintenance and repair will be needed for these vehicles.